Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the KICKER CSC65 CS series coaxial speakers. A killer upgrade for your car audio setup. If you're tired of weak factory sound, these bad boys might just be what you need. Let's break it down. First off, the design is a game changer. KICKER slashed the mounting depth on these, meaning they'll fit in almost any car out there, from your daily driver to that old project ride. No need to stress about compatibility. These are built to slide right in. Now let's talk sound. You've got a stamped steel frame holding a tough polypropylene cone, paired with zero protrusion PI tweeters. What does that mean? Crisp, clear highs and solid mids that punch through your music. Plus, those neodymium magnets in the tweeters? They crank up the volume on those high frequencies without distortion. Perfect for when you want every detail to shine. Durability's on point too. The UV-treated polyfoam surround can handle heat and sunlight, so whether you're parked at the beach or cruising in the summer, these speakers won't let you down. One quick heads up. If you're grabbing these internationally, terms might differ a bit, fit and specs could vary from local versions. So double check before you buy. Overall, the KICKER CSC65s are a fantastic drop-in upgrade. They're affordable, they fit like a glove, and they deliver that punchy, clear sound we all crave. If you've been sleeping on your car's audio, it's time to wake it up with these. Drop a like if you're feeling this review, and let me know in the comments what you're running in your ride.